Today we are going to do some coloring with colored pencils. Lovely Lea from Arrtx sent me this wonderful package with colored pencils, 126 colors and a sketchbook. And I was really happy about this box because here are my previous colored pencils, and these are like 20 years old, and they always snap when I try to sharpen them because they are so old. So I haven't used these so much, but now I have the chance to do something with colored pencils, and I'm very happy about this. And I have to say that Lea is the best. She is such a nice person that I absolutely am always happy to hear from her. So hi Lea, and a big thank you. But now let's take off the plastics. Let's look at this book. It's a sketchbook, 180 grams, and it is 21 centimeters long and 15 wide. Wow, this is really nice. Good quality paper. And today we will use this for our craftings. And then let's open the colored pencils box. This is really cute. These bunnies, oh my gosh, so adorable. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are really nice. Arrtx. I really love Arrtx products. Before I started this channel, I had no idea about Arrtx, and now I have been using their products and I absolutely really love them, and I use them a lot. So cute. And this box is nice, so there is a place for each colors. So this is very nice to store, for example, on the table. Many color options. Oh, I'm so excited to do something with these. I had this idea that I could do some whimsical trees with this lovely paper and colored pencils. Now let's tear some pages and then let's start the drawing. Now the trees are ready, and I had a really nice time with this set. I think it worked wonders with the watercolor, and they complemented each other very nicely. These colored pencils blend really well, and I really love to color with these. I haven't done this in a very long time with colored pencils, and this was a really good experience again. So, thank you Arrtx for sending me this lovely set with the pretty box. And if you would like to know more, there is more information in the description box with the links and with a US Amazon discount code. And when I use these in my art journaling, I will cut these and I will ink the edges. Now I cannot do that because I will put this print on my Etsy shop. So if you want to decorate your own journal with these whimsy trees, there is a print for sale now on my Etsy shop. Yes, but until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.